Hello guys, have you ever thought about updating your iPhone without losing your files? So in today I will show you guys the easiest way to update your iPhone without losing your files. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. First thing you need to do is to head onto your settings, open your settings, and in your settings head onto your general. And in your general, what you have to do is to click on the software updates. Before you do so, make sure you are connected to the Wi-Fi and make sure that you are connected to a very strong router or Wi-Fi, and hold on for a minute. So what this is doing is searching through the Apple server to get the latest update. This is very essential to fix your security and also to fix all bugs that are in the iPhone. So now we now have our iOS update, which is iOS 26.4. So next you need to do is to click either update now or click on the update tonight. So the update tonight, what it does is that it gives you access to update your device at night, which is the update now. It will automatically connect to your Wi-Fi and do the update overnight. Then the update now is if you wish to do the updates or to update your device now. So next is to enter your password. After entering your password, you will wait for a while for it to update the device, which is downloading the ISO from Apple server into your device. Make sure when you are updating that the beta update or the beta option is turned off. So the beta option is for the developers. And in here, if you don't have enough storage, what you need to do is to click on the optimize storage. This optimization of storage, what it does is that it's uninstall or delete some of the apps that are not necessary, just to give a space during the update. So let's click on optimize. So now we have the updates downloading. Remember, the time frame for the updates depends on the storage. So in this very update, remember is around 2.2 gigabytes. So it varies depending on the mobile phone. For my iPhone 12 Pro Max is giving me around 4.4 gigabytes of storage. So the extraction is still going on, which it might take a while. So our mobile phone is now trying to verify the updates to see if it actually came from the right source, which is Apple. And let's just give it a while it completes the installation of the firmware. So voila, we have successfully updated our iOS device, which is our iPhone device. So now let's check out this. You can see the installation or the optimization that we did the last time removed our keynote and also remove few apps, which you can see here, and they are now reinstalling back because we are done with the update. So let's check out our updates to see if that our firmware has completed the update. So in our settings, head down to general and then head down to about, and here you can see our ISO firmware. Click on the ISO firmware and you can see here we now have our ISO 26.4 running on our device, which shows that we have successfully completed the update. So in this process, we can now check to see if that we still have any other updates by going back and clicking on the software updates. Now you can see we now have the latest ISO. We can see more details of the ISO by going to the more details. So if you really enjoyed this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and also do not forget to share to your family and friends. Also, if this is your first time coming across this channel, do not forget to click on the subscribe button while also turning on the notification bell for more videos like this. If you encounter any error during your updates, do not forget to drop a comment at the comment section and we will assist you from there. And thank you for watching this video. See you next time.